Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can use a Visa gift card on Shein. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Shein.com. After that, log in using your account and you will be redirected to the homepage where all of the products will be present. Now select the product you would like to order, then add it to your cart. After that, navigate to your cart and proceed towards the payment page. Now select the cards option and enter your gift card code right here to apply it. And that's how you can use a Visa gift card on Shein. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.